dear students, how are you? I hope you all are keeping fine. Today, I welcome you to the episode number 3 of the chapter Types of Sentences. Dear students, in the previous episodes, we discussed the definition and characteristics of a sentence. We also discussed how sentences are of two types, one-clause sentences and more than one-clause sentences. Let me remind you, one-clause sentences are otherwise called as simple sentences, and sentences having more than one clause are called compound or complex sentences. Here in this episode, we shall discuss something more about a simple sentence. We shall learn the definition and characteristics of a simple sentence. We also will learn what are the different types of simple sentences there are in English. Dear students, just have a look at the whiteboard. I am going to write the definition of a simple sentence. Just see, a simple sentence is a sentence that has only one finite verb, one finite clause, or one finite verb, one finite clause, or one finite verb. Dear students, in our previous episodes, we have discussed clause, but I have not told you anything pertaining to finite verb. वर्तमान आमे finite verb विषय ठीक से बुझीबा दरकार, because I don't think unless and until you have sufficient knowledge of a finite verb तमे केबे ए simple sentence को बुझी पारिबो बोली. एणु पिला माने ब्लैक बोर्ड व्हाइट बोर्ड को ठीक भाव देखिबो. मो फाइनाइट वर्ब पढ़ेबा पूर्व प्रथमे आई एम गोइंग टू साइट 4 sentences. Just have a look at the whiteboard. The first sentence is I go to school every day. Sentence number 2, my father is writing a novel. My father is writing a novel. Sentence number 3 is Rama has been waiting for me for half an hour. And the sentence number 4 is he will have been doing it for the next 5 years. Just see what we see here in the first sentence. I go to school every day. Here subject is I. We have discussed in our previous episodes, subject is that what in the sentence about is something is described in the predicate part. Here subject is I and go to school is predicate. Okay, and which one is verb here? Verb we know is go. Go is verb. Idea clear? In the second sentence, which one is subject? My father is subject, and predicate is the remaining part of the sentence, that is he is writing a novel. Understand? He is writing a novel is the predicate part of the sentence. Which one is the verb here? Verb is writing. Is writing is the verb here. We know verb is the most important element in the predicate phrase. Without verb, no sentence can ever be written. Remember, पिला माने predicate part रे अर्थात sentence रे सबुठु important element होची verb. Okay, And what we see in the third sentence? In the third sentence, subject is Rama and predicate is has been waiting for her half an hour. Has been waiting for me for half an hour. This one is the predicate part. And which one is verb? Verb is has been waiting. Has been waiting. And in the fourth sentence, subject is he and predicate is will have been doing it for the next 5 years. This one is predicate. And verb is will have been doing. Will have been doing. Remember, my dear students, generally the grammarians call the verbs in the sentences as busy. Busy stands for verbal group. In a verbal group, we can have at least one verb and at best 4 verbs. Remember, my dear students, in a verbal group, we can have at least minimum one verb and maximum 4 verbs. Here in the sentence number 1, we have only one verb, that is go. In sentence number 2, we have 2 verbs. The busy has 2 verbs. One is and another is writing. In sentence number 3, we have 3 verbs: has, been, and waiting. So here busy has 3 verbs. And in the sentence number 4, the verb is will have been doing. Here busy has 4 verbs: will, have, been, doing. Now let's discuss one important thing. Suppose in your examinations तुमको गोटे क्वेश्चन देथिबो एवं तुमको इंस्ट्रक्शन देला फाइंड आउट द टेंस ऑफ द वर्ब अर्थात सेंटेंस रो टेंस निरूपण कर. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, सब गोटे कथा मन रखिबा दरकार जे पिला सेंटेंस रो मीनिंग बुझू बा न बुझू, जदि से गोटे कथा मन रखिबो जे टेंस मीन्स द स्टडी ऑफ वर्ब फॉर्म्स, तेणु सी कौन कर इजिली अक्लेशरे आर आंसरटे कर गोटे मार्क पाइपर. केमती पाइब ना मन करूँ से पचारा आई गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे. फाइंड आउट, आइडेंटिफाई द टेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस. फाइंड आउट द टेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस. डू रिमेंबर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन इंग्लिश वी हैव only 2 types of tenses. One is present tense and the second one is past tense. We don't have future tense in our English grammar. Remember, we have future time but we don't have future tense. So if the verb in the sentence is V1 form, that means if it is in the first form of the verb, then the tense is said to be present tense. पिला माने जदि verb टी फर्स्ट फॉर्म रे थाए ताले तार टेंस टाला प्रेजेंट. जदि सेकंड फॉर्म रे रहइबो V2 फॉर्म को आ जाए सेकंड फॉर्म को, बस सेकंड फॉर्म बी द सेकंड फॉर्म को आ जाए. V stands for verb, 2 stands for second form, and the second form of the verb is went. So जदि एठी I went to school every day थांदा ताला हमें कहि थांदे सेंटेंस टी पास्ट टेंस रे अछि. सो जदि आमको पचरा जाए ए वर्ब ए सेंटेंस रो टेंस कौन ना, इमीडिएटली वी शैल स्विच टू द verb. Okay, because it is the verb that determines the tense of the sentence. The tense of the verbal group is the tense of the entire sentence. Do remember, here verb is go and it is in the present tense first form. That's why the sentence is said to be what? Present tense. If I transfer the tense of the verb, then the answer is, suppose मुझे past tense करवी ताला आंसर कौन पाइबी ना, I went to school every day. What we see here in the first sentence, I remains I, to remains to, school, every day, but only go changes for went. So it is the verb, it is only the verb जोटा कि entire sentence टेंस विषय हमको idea दबो. In the second sentence कौन अछि? My father is writing a novel. Here verb is writing. जदि मो सेंटेंस रा टेंस पचारिबी ताले एटी हमको को वर्ब टी टेंस विषय आइडिया दबा दैट इज 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 द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द बी वर्ब इट इज इन B1 so that's why you can say जे ए सेंटेंस रा टेंस होची प्रेजेंट टेंस जदि मु आपको ए सेंटेंस टा को पास्ट टेंस करबी त आंसर कोन पाइबी नाइ माय फादर वाज राइटिंग ए नोवेल My father was writing a novel. Here, writing constant, but is changes. Only is the verb that determines the tense of the sentence. Remember, here is gives us the idea about tense. Here go gives us the idea about here tense. Writing has nothing to do with the tense of the sentence. Similarly, in sentence number 3, Bhizis has been waiting, and the first verb of the Bhizis has. It is in its first form. This is why we can say the Bhizis in the present tense. Therefore, the whole sentence is said to be in the present tense. For example, if we change the tense of the sentence, the answer we will get is Rama had been waiting for me for half an hour. Here what happens? We see waiting remains waiting, been remains been, but only has changes for had. This is why we can say has is the only verb that determines the tense of the sentence, not been or waiting. Similarly, in sentence number 4, let's judge it. Here Bhiji has 4 words, 4 verbs, will, have been, waiting, and the tense of the Bhiji is present because will is in its present form. Remember my dear students, sometimes it so happens that students commit here a great mistake. कौन करंती ना जेतेबेले क्वेश्चन देइथिबो एवं इंस्ट्रक्शन थिबो टू आइडेंटिफाई द टेंस ऑफ द सेंटेंस पिला माने भाबंती विल अछि माने एटा फ्यूचर टेंस बट डू रिमेंबर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर इन मॉडर्न इंग्लिश ग्रामर in modern English grammar we generally don't have future tense. This is why we can say will is in present tense because it is in its past form. If we change the tense of the sentence, what happens? The new answer is he would have been doing it for next 5 years. So एटी कौन हो हमें देखु ना doing remains unchanged, been unchanged, have also unchanged, but will changes to would. बुझिपार कि नहीं एणु मो कहवा कथा होची आमे एटी बुझिले जे एई सब सेंटेंस मानंकरे गोटिए गोटिए वर्ब जनरली सेंटेंस टेंस निरूपण करूछंती एवं these verbs are basically the first verb in the verbal group एणु these verbs are said to be finite verbs. एठी आमे आंसर पाई गेले पिला माने do remember what is a finite verb. A finite verb is the verb in the verbal group that identifies the tense of the sentence or that carries the tense. एणु पिला माने जदि परीक्षा रे तुम मानकर क्वेश्चन आसिला गोटे सेंटेंस दे दला एवं इंस्ट्रक्शन दला find out or identify the tense of the sentence ताले आमे साधारणतः कौन करिवा ना जनरली से वर्बल ग्रुप रो फर्स्ट वर्ब टा को देखिवा जदि सेटा वर्ब रो फर्स्ट फॉर्म रे ताला आमे लेखिवा sentence or tense होची present and if it is in the second form then the second tense of the second is tense of the sentence is first. Similarly जदि पचारिला underline the finite verb ताला आमे कौन करिवा आमे एमती सेंटेंस को जज करिवा टेंस टा को चेंज करिवा देखिवा जेउ वर्ब टी टेंस चेंज करूची सेही वर्ब टा अछि फाइनाइट वर्ब एवं जदि हमको देला जे पिक आउट द नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब्स फास्ट फाइनाइट भर को लोकेट करवा तापर फाइनाइट भर को माइनस करी आउ जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ दी रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ दी वर्बल ग्रुप अच्छी सेटा को आमे नॉन फाइनाइट भर बोली आइडेंटिफाई करवा ठीक से भाई अनेक माने कर दो 4 or 5 sentences are there and you will be instructed to pick out the simple sentence आमे कौन करवा यही भाई भाव में सेंटेंस फाइनाइट भर केतेटा नेखा अच्छी देखि नवा जो जो सेंटेंस रे मात्र गोटे नेखा फाइनाइट भर अच्छी सेटा सिंपल सेंटेंस अच्छी बोली आमे जानी परिबा एणु पिला माने आमे जो डेफिनेशन लिखिथिले ए सिंपल सेंटेंस ए सेंटेंस दैट हैज ओनली वन फाइनाइट भर एबे आमे बुझी गले कि भली भाव में गोटे फाइनाइट भर थिले सेंटेंस को सिंपल सेंटेंस बोली कहा जाए एणु पिला माने आई कैन कंक्लूड जे ऑल दीज 4 sentences are bright examples of simple sentences बुझिला कि नहीं पिला माने आई थिंक तम मान कराओ किछ प्रॉब्लम नथिबो वर्तमान आमे सिंपल सेंटेंस जो टाइप्स अछि डिक्लेरेटिव इंपेरेटिव एक्सक्लेमेटरी और इंट्रोगेटिव सेगुडी को सब बिट बाय बिट बुझिबा वर्तमान आमे आजिर कालांश शेष होइछि आई एम कमिंग इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड टिल देन गुड बाय थैंक यू वेरी मच।